The pose is Vajrasana. Vajrasana means thunder pose. There is another pose called Utkata Vajrasana. That means difficult thunder pose. But this is simply thunder pose. What are the benefits of this pose, Vajrasana? Like the name says, it makes the body strong like thunder. And the spine straight, strong spine, strong back, strong digestive system, especially good after eating. You sit in this pose, you can digest the food easily. And what else is there? Yes, if you do this pose regularly, it also promotes healthy reproductive system. And conditions of sciatica and gout. Gout is due to too much meat or too much protein. The ankles, especially gout of the ankles, because you're sitting in that position. So it gives you that stretching and tension to improve, to eliminate such conditions in the body. What are the chakras that will benefit? Mainly the lower chakras, Muladhara chakras, Vajrasana chakra, Manipura chakra. What are the contraindications? Well, you cannot sit in this pose when you have inflammation, acute inflammation of your joints, especially the ankles or knees. Sometimes even some restrictions in the hips, you may not be able to sit in this position. Now let's see how the pose is done. Now, this pose Vajrasana can be quite trying to get into. The ultimate pose, in some cases, we can put the foot, to the side, but not everyone can do that. So you need to also ensure that when you do this, you move this from the hip onwards, not just from the ankle. It can be very painful. So just be mindful. If your foot can go out on the side, you may do that. But also watch your knee, because you might pull the knee. So you have to be very careful if you can do that. If not, just leave your ankle behind, same the other side, at the back, and sit in this pose. This is also Vajrasana. If you can stick the toes out and turn this hip in and have the toes pointing out in this position for a while. Now, what are the variations? You could use a block to sit on it. If it's very difficult for you to, put the legs under, just put the block under and sit. You can raise the block higher if you wish, if that's not enough for you. So you still get into that position of Vajrasana. The spine is still maintained. Maintain the spine straight. You might want to put a blanket so you're comfortable. And again, have the help of a block to sit on, or a blanket or a bolster to sit on. So this is very nice. You can even do it on the chair, or on the floor, of course, and sit comfortably. Just allow the blood to rush into the abdominal area, so it helps digest the food and makes the body strong and the spine upright. What is the duration for this pose, Vajrasana? You can do 4 times, about 30 seconds each time. Or of course, you can do less if you wish to. So the pose is Vajrasana.